Hi everyone. Now here is a very good advice for both men and women. Nowadays it's very common to get married and separate, get married and then separate again 5, 3, 4, 7 more times. Back in the days it was one time, and if you fuck up, no one wants to have the business with you. Now that was also exaggerated a little bit because everybody deserves a second chance. But if you fuck up second chance, why do you think that you are so smart that you will be the third lucky charm and change the person who already fucked 2 relationships, made 2, 3 bunch of kids, who knows? Be smart, pick wisely, pick problem solver, and make yourself happy.